Hi guys, welcome to Aluth Deyak LK YouTube channel. Today I brought the video about how to customize your blogger free without any cost. Today let's do that video. First you can log into your blogger website like this and you can search Guya with blogger templates like that and you can get a website. You can see with lots of templates here. I think more than 50. You can choose any template. I'll choose this or this. I'll choose in this. You can like preview that live by here. I click in this button. Now you can see like this template. Now uh, you can get the website like this with this template, and you can see other one also. You can first you should download this. Now should you must extract that file before using. Here you can see the some files. You can click downloads again and extract this. Okay, okay. Now let's go to the blogger and you can click the tab theme, close that window. Now press backup slash restore and browse themes. Search search the file. Now you can find the XML file here. You must open that. You can see the magazine XML file. You can see some codes here. Okay, now press upload. Okay, now uploaded successfully. Now you can see the website in this template, and you can edit those HTML. This is the website. You can remove those things and uh, add your links here and remove those things. You can do it like this. Click copy link location, then Control and F and search button. Sorry. You can search Twitter. You you should find the ID here. You can see Twitter ID and add your ID here. And In those links you should add those address also. Then you can get a perfect website and you can remove those things. In the layout you can remove the website like page. You can remove the ads here. You can remove these like you can remove what you like the labels popular post. Like this you can remove and add gadgets here, and you can hit Facebook and add your website, add your page here like this. Now you can see my uh, page. So if you can subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos like this. This is my official website. You can search it www.aluth.lk.com. It's in the description. You can get it. And please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you like, you can click the bell icon. Then as soon as we upload the video, you will get the notification. And click the like button and leave your ideas below about this video. Thank you. I bring another video. And